All right, so here we are, the Rizoma stealth mirrors that everyone knows and loves, and they look great on just about any bike that these get mounted on. And shout out to Rizoma, because these things, like I said before, really nice, really beautiful. They transform the front end of any bike. And also shout out to Motivation USA for sending these out. So let's see what we get inside here. Oh, beautiful packaging. Try to get around all this foam and stuff. All right, here we are. The main event. These things are beautiful. All right, so you get the 2 mirrors in the package, and then the gaskets that go right underneath, and then you get the hardware right here that you'll mount the mirrors up with. So, all right, enough talking. Let's get these bad boys on. All right, guys, so this is a fairly easy install. I say this is like a 1 out of 10. Super easy, super quick. You literally only have to remove a couple of screws, and if you have blinkers integrated into your light, or into your mirrors, excuse me, like I do, just disconnect that connector, hide it away, and you'll be ready to go. And then if later on you decide to put on some Rizoma blinkers and stuff like that, you'll have the opportunity to do that plug and play. So, like I said, on the MV Agusta F3, you just have 2 bolts right there that hold the mirror on. We're gonna go ahead and get those off, and then get the other mirror on. Got it off, and then you'll have a connector right here. Just pull that out. You guys can see that little white connector. Then just disconnect it, and then you can tuck this back away up under here, and then put on the new mirror. All right, so I just wanted to show you real quick. So sometime in the near future, I am going to be putting Rizoma turn signals on here, and with this cable, like I said, you can just tuck it down under here, and it'll be out of the way. But there is a metal bar that runs all the way through here. So in order to get this cable out, you got to reach all the way up under here and pull it through. In order to wire in the new mirrors, or excuse me, the turn signals. And I'm still trying to debate where I want to mount those on here, so that's for another video. But like I said, push that down so it's out of the way, and then we'll go on ahead and get the other stuff mounted. All right, so the hardware for the Rizoma mirrors are the same size as the stock hardware. It was at 4mm, and then don't forget to put your gasket on. All right, guys, and that's it. Super simple install for the Rizoma mirrors on any bike, but man, they make the MV Agusta F3 just look amazing. So shout out to Motivation USA for these parts. If you're looking to pick some of these up, definitely check them out. You can get these mirrors for almost any bike, and definitely shout out to Rizoma, because they make some gorgeous looking equipment. But if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you're liking what you're seeing, definitely give me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.